What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today on the Evo we're going to be pulling out the engine. Now, got a little surprise for you guys. Some of the Evo boys are going to be coming past and giving me a help in getting this engine out. So the main reason we're getting the engine out is because I want to paint the bay and get the wiring all tidied up. So let's get into it.
Yeah. Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up.
Alright, so we got the engine here and we're going to start to take away all the accessories. So as you can see, everything's still connected. We've got to take out the radiator, the coolant lines, and then also the wiring harness. And then we'll have everything off and we'll be ready to lift the engine out. So let's get into it.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. Two times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. Three times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting all the work in, if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make 1 million. I got 1 million flows, I'm 1 million shit with 1 million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dog. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen the post and I seen the hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being honest. One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Frank Bentley. Let's go.
Yeah, make it look easy. Hey, stand up guy, boom, 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweaking, okay? Cause baby, I'm him, I be on 10. 2-stepping in the party, I do not dance. Watch how I move, make it look easy. Counting up wins, that's part of the plan. Blackmail, taking up my haters a CC. That can't fail, all my victories on repeat. I'm knee deep, need a dub, best that you seek me. I'm too sick, yeah, I know I make it look easy. Easy, yeah. Tell them don't try to play me. Yeah, I'm drippy on it daily. They can never count me out, they can never count me out, I know. They can never count me out, they can never count me out, I know. I make it look easy, make it look easy. I know I make it look easy, make it look easy. I know I make it look easy. Too smooth, I make it look easy. I know we make it look easy. Make it look. I know. Love, shooting my shot, better play up. Make it look easy, that's a layup. Bad man. Why they wanna be like me, a sad man? Too wavy, swallow your pride. All of my guys, call them, they slide. They will oblige. Called them, I told them, you playing with me. Now look, all of them starting to riot. Whoa, When I'm in your city, it's magic. When I'm all in my bag, it gets tragic. When I see what I want, gotta have it. I can't let up, they made me a savage. I can't slow down my foot on the gas, yeah. Going way up from where I was last year. I'ma make it look easy, that's it. I know God got me, yeah, he got my back. These blessings falling in my lap. I came up, give it all I had. Rep my city, put them on my back. Hit my shots, I don't miss those. Straight up, I'ma let them know I don't fold. Make it look easy and they know there's only one way for us to go. Can't hold me back, I'm going way up. Tell them they can never play us, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no. Ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me now, no. Yeah, stayed in my lane when they doubt it, I make it. I know that they mad when I swerve out the lot. Thick in the plot, they did not get the picture when I said I don't fit in they box. Taking they shots, and they know that I ain't missing, and it's up if they hand me the rock. I feel like a Rubik's, cause they confused with how I line it up by spinning the block. Hey, too easy, get your weight up when you see me. I'm a threat, please don't give me a reason. I'm a vet, yeah, I see through your decence. When I'm done, they gon' pick up the pieces. And you know we ain't losing this season. It's the reason why they hating on me, cause you know that I'ma make it look easy. Ain't no stopping me now, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no, no. Ain't no stopping me now, no, no. Ain't no stopping me, I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy. I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy. I know I make it look too smooth, I make it look easy. I know we make it look easy. I know
Alrighty guys, so as you can see now all the wiring is out over the side here. So we've disconnected all the wiring, all the oil lines, all the coolant lines, and now the engine's ready to come out. We'll be lifting it. There's a bolt here and then also a bracket at the back which we'll be lifting it from. Once it's out, then we can put it onto an engine crane. So let's start getting it out. There you go.
Just about there. Almost clear. And we good?
Yep.
Alright, we'll push you back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. How we doing the back there?
Frank?
Almost coming out of the barbecue.
Nearly hit the barbecue.
Really? Oh,
Plenty.
plenty. Alright.
Oh, there we go guys, it's out. Finally.
Beautiful.
Well, there you have it guys. The engine's finally out thanks to the help from the boys helping me get it out. So now that that's done, we can strip down the engine and then we can give it a good clean, get rid of some of the accessories and send them all off to get washed. Now that everything's all out of the bay as well, we can clean up this wiring, remove everything from inside, degrease and wash it, and then get ready for painting. So once that's done, hopefully we'll have a very nice looking Evo. If you liked the video and would like to see more, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and will help me grow as well. So make sure you do that, and see you in the next video.
What do you think it is?
It's Gearbox. Like that. Who's it for?
Who needs a gearbox? Do you need a gearbox? I don't need a gearbox. Do you need a gearbox?
Mine runs alright.
Do you need a gearbox?
I got a 5-speed gearbox.
I've already got one, so.
What do you mean?
What kind of gearbox is it?
It's a 5-speed.
Oh.
No.
I might test it.
Oh. Where'd you get that from?
Is there better words from?
No, I'm just asking. No, you pay for it. You. Thank you.
Got a 5-speed, bro.
That's awesome, dude. Congrats.
Yeah.
That's your gearbox.
That's your gearbox, bro.
Bro.
Oh, yeah. I'm surprised. I can't speak.
That's all good. Take it in, man. Soak it up. It's good.